HeroGoGo is a professional internet hero sports camera brand developed by a national high-tech enterprise specifically for nighttime outdoor sports enthusiasts. The main functions of the product are night filming, one-click video capture, and one-click warning. Whether you are hiking at night, running at night, nighttime excursions, bonfires, or candlelight dinners, HeroGoGo products will bring you exciting filming and instant social interaction experiences. HeroGoGo1S, like Hero One, can capture live video information before and after 10 seconds, automatically share to the cloud. You can also instantly share to other social platforms to retain time and wonderful moments. When we are out on the road, there may be potential dangers. HeroGoGo can take active photoelectric warnings, automatically capture and share live video, and send message to emergency contact, include location and live video information, for driving the danger away and seeking rescue. If the danger unfortunately accident, HeroGoGo can also automatically issue photoelectric warnings by detecting abnormal vibrations to help deter crimes and end crimes. HeroGoGo1S compare HeroGoGo1. It has a voice warning function, improving the ability to stop crimes and providing more warm concern to customers. HeroGoGo series of sports cameras has obtained dozens of patents, OEM by the Foxconn Group, to provide consumers with superior quality and technology experience. HeroGoGo upholds the brand concept of heroic spirit and win-win cooperation, strive to provide consumers and partners with continuous value experiences, and achieves its mission: more wonder and less tragedy. Wish you every trip is wonderful and safe. Protect and share my life.